Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Introduction to Animation in Python. Animation is a powerful tool for visualizing data, creating games, or simply adding interactivity to your Python applications. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create simple animations using Python. We'll focus on using the matplotlib library, a popular tool for data visualization that also provides simple animation capabilities. Step 1. Installing required libraries. Before we start animating, we need to install the necessary libraries. You can install matplotlib using pip. Step 2. Setting up your environment. Create a new Python script in your favorite text editor or IDE. Let's name it animation.py. Step 3. Importing required libraries. In your animation.py script, start by importing the necessary libraries. Step 4. Creating animation functions. Next, let's define functions to initialize the plot and update it for each animation frame. In the init function, we initialize the plot by setting the data to empty arrays. The animate function updates the data for each frame. In this example, we're using static data, but you can replace it with dynamic data or calculations. Step 5. Setting up the animation. Now, let's set up the figure, axis, and the line that will be animated. Step 6. Creating the animation. Finally, let's create the animation object and save it or display it. That's it. You've created your first animated plot in Python. You can customize the animation by modifying parameters such as frame rate, line styles, colors, and more. Conclusion. Animating in Python can add a new dimension to your visualizations and applications. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of animating using the matplotlib library. Experiment with different types of plots, data, and animations to create dynamic and engaging visualizations tailored to your needs. Happy animating! ChatGPT